Hello. Today, I'd like to show you how you can patch third-party applications using Level. Let's get started. We're going to start by creating a new automation. I'm going to call this Windows Security Patching. This is going to be a weekly automation. Let's run it every Friday at midnight. And we want to run this just on our Windows endpoints. So now we have an automation that's going to trigger every Friday at midnight. Now, let's do some updates. So I'm going to install some Windows operating system updates. Just going to choose our security updates and our definition updates. And I want to delay these security updates by 7 days. Okay, so we have that. Next, I want to update our third-party packages. And for that, we're going to use Winget. The neat thing about Winget is regardless of how the application was originally installed, if it's available in the Winget repository, we'll be able to update that application. Winget is a repository made by Microsoft, and it has over 4,300 applications in it, everything from Chrome and Adobe Reader to Zoom and Firefox. So we're going to add that action. We're going to configure it to just update all of the packages that it detects, and that's it. We're done. This automation is now going to run across all of our Windows devices every Friday at midnight. We'll install the security updates, the definition updates, and update the third-party packages. Thanks. Hope this helps.